Hi lovelies, welcome back for another video. It's gonna be a clean with me today. Today, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Rogina. Welcome to Life with Rogina, where I share a lifestyle, cleaning motivation, a little bit of fashion, some DIYs, check out everything. Whatever I like, that's what y'all gonna get, okay? Today, it's gonna be a clean with me. I am 2 weeks behind. My house is a mess. Last week was 4th of July and we went out of town. So my cleaning schedule is completely thrown off. I have not mopped, I have not vacuumed, I have not cleaned my bathroom in at least 2 weeks. So today we're gonna start with this bedroom. Oh my gosh, first of all, when I show y'all this bedroom, don't judge me, okay? Don't. But yeah, I need to change the sheets, get all of this crap off the floor. It's like so many random socks. Some of these socks are not even mine. I don't understand how they get in my room, but so much stuff on the floor. We finally unpacked the suitcase like 2 days ago, because when I came back, we came back Sunday. Monday I was right back at work. I didn't even have time. So yeah, let's get into the cleaning. I'm gonna start with this bedroom. And we're gonna get all the stuff out. I need to dust this fan more than likely. The bed, nightstand, yeah, everything, honey. Everything gotta be touched. Vacuum, and then I might be able to move into the bathroom. It depends. It depends. But before we even start, I need to make some vacuum carpet freshener. So I'm gonna show y'all that. But let's get into the cleaning because baby, I got a lot. Okay, let's go. So before we start with the cleaning, I'm going to be making some carpet freshener. I'm using essential oil and baking soda. So I'm just gonna fill this container up halfway, then add a couple of drops of essential oil. I think I'm using lavender in this video, and then add more baking soda, shake it up, and it is ready to put on your carpet. And this container is just an old container I had. I think it had like Parmesan cheese or something in it, child. I just kept it, cleaned it out, and reused it.
This one I got to be the jabata. I know get time, I did jabata. That cover my face, calling me jabata. Biggie man, we do the get jabata. Tell me, what's it go? Jiwago, all the bend. They catch it, ride the foot. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? Jiwago, all the bend. They catch it, ride the foot. I know feet, die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to get to my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the money. Tell me, What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley. The gas ride the whip. I know beat. Die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley. The gas ride the whip. I know beat. Different things them happening. Schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean. My boat I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shit, I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I know feet, Oluwa, oh now.
Alex, Babs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you?
Hey, so what had happened was, yeah, my battery died. My SD card was full, so I did not get to finish cleaning up, and it has been days later, and here we are. But we're about to finish, okay? I still have to put some clothes. I have to hang clothes up. I think when we left off, I was still doing laundry. I don't even know if I got to film that because my card was full. But trust, I have more laundry, okay? So laundry and then vacuuming, and I still need to clean the shower. I've cleaned the bathtub and the sinks, and I ended up cleaning the toilet because I didn't want to wait any longer. It was gross. So now I just need to clean my shower, vacuum, and get these clothes up. I have some snacks over here that I need to remove because I was eating chips and dip. Don't judge me. And I have some drinks on my floor right here. I'm going to put in my little mini fridge. And yeah, that's what we got for today. So I think I'm going to start with, the vacuuming. And then we're going to do the laundry because I just got burnt out on laundry on Saturday. So let's continue this reset, okay? It has to be done. Oh, take a look at my dress real quick. I got so many compliments on this dress today. Super cute, and it's from Shein. Y'all know I love Shein. Okay, let's get into this cleaning so we can finish this and I can go sit down.
grew up in West Virginia, and every night in our family centered around the dinner table. It was then that I learned that nutritious foods can be delicious too. And that's why we love Nulo. Gus loves how it tastes, and I love how their recipes keep him at his peak. His coat is shinier, he's faster, he's stronger, and best of all, he's just a happier dog. Nulo is pushing the boundaries of pet nutrition, introducing innovative recipes that redefine what's possible. And I want the best for Gus.
As a Treats Rewards member, you can save even more on your dog's favorite food.
Don't wanna be